Today I'll show you the way that you can create a YouTube channel on your mobile. You can easily follow these steps whether you're using an Android or an iOS. Now to get started, you'll need to have a Google account logged in on your phone. All YouTube channels are logged in using your Google account, so make sure that you have your Google account logged in first of all, and then you can go ahead and open up the YouTube app. Once you're inside of your YouTube app, you can tap on the profile icon that you see on the bottom right. Now if this is the first time creating a YouTube account, you will immediately see an option called Create a Channel beneath your name on the top. You can just tap on the Create a Channel option. In the next step, you can add in your profile picture, change the name of your YouTube channel by tapping on the pencil icon, and then you can add in any name that you like and then tap on Save on the top right. Once that is done, you can also change the handle and then tap on Create Channel. And there you go, you just now created your own channel on YouTube. To view your channel, again tap on the profile icon on the bottom right, and then it will show your channel name on the top, and you can tap on View Channel. You can now start uploading your videos, but before that, make sure you verify your YouTube channel by adding in your ID or scanning your face before you start up. So that's all it takes in creating your channel on YouTube using your mobile phone. If this video helped you out, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to this channel for more informative videos just like this.